The dangers of diet trends. Diet trends are rampant in our society today, and almost all of them come with dangers attached to them. Unfortunately, most people who are desperate to make money often don't look at the long-term health consequences of their products. What they are truly concerned about is making money and doing something that will help them to capitalize off of a desperate desire that many people have to lose weight in a fast and easy way. There's something that you are going to have to accept if diet trends are something that captivate your interest. The unfortunate fact of the matter is that there is no healthy way to lose weight fast and easily with no work and no healthy eating and no exercise. Losing weight is a good goal if you are obese or if you are lacking in fitness and you need extra mobility. All of us have at times needed to start making better lifestyle choices. And that is something that we can do with food and a healthy body movement, as opposed to trusting companies that want to exploit us in order to make money. Some of the diet trends out there are exceptionally dangerous and have dire health consequences, both long-term and short-term. Many of them rely on methods that cause us to starve ourselves and rob our body of essential nutrients, sometimes even dehydrating us. These types of diet trends are extremely disgusting. They are taking advantage of people who want to be healthy but don't know how to go about it. They are taking advantage of people, often women in particular, who are crumbling under the pressures of unrealistic beauty standards, and women who are told that to have any value they must look a certain way. That is absolutely untrue. Whether you weigh 100 pounds or 700 pounds, you have value. However, healthy eating is one of the only real ways that you are going to be able to kickstart your metabolism and provide your body with the nutrients that it needs to function to its highest possible capacity. If you are robbing your body of the vitamins and minerals that it needs in order to thrive and trusting a diet trend to teach you how to lose weight and have value when all they really want is your money, then you're going to end up further behind than when you started out. The unfortunate truth about many diet trends is that they cause the body to go into starvation mode. This can wreck your metabolism and cause you to gain weight even faster in the future. Don't let yourself be exploited by the advertisements promising you that you will lose weight in a fast and easy way. All of that will come with a price. Not only that, but there are health trends out there such as the HCG diet that can really screw up your body and your hormones. The ironic thing about diet trends is that they often will make it harder for you to lose weight in the future because you are implementing unhealthy and difficult ways of maintaining your weight. If you want to be skinny, don't trust a pill on TV to make you skinny. Start cutting out unhealthy, sugary, and processed foods and replace them with healthy, whole grain wheat and organic fruits and vegetables that will not introduce chemicals into your body that will make it even harder for you to lose weight, and that will ultimately mess up your body chemistry. It may seem tempting to be able to lose weight quickly and not have to sacrifice the negative eating habits that you have developed over your lifetime, but it is not healthy. You are hurting yourself and priming your body for further health complications in the future if you are not careful about the way you attempt to lose weight. Make sure that you are doing everything in your power to make choices that you would want other people to make for themselves. Do research before you let yourself be swayed by the snake oil salesman on TV. Look into these things, because you are worth doing things the right way, and you deserve a positive future and not one that is complicated by the side effects of a sales pitch that only wants your money and not your health.